In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use workflows with HubSpot's Operations Hub. If you've been wanting to streamline your business processes or automate various tasks, understanding workflows is an essential skill that can save you time and help you manage your operations more efficiently. To get started with workflows in HubSpot, first head over to their trial guide. You'll want to log in and explore the Sales Hub professional tools available to you. Once inside, look for a tab labeled Automation. This is your gateway to creating workflows and automating numerous tasks within your platform. Clicking on Automation opens up various options, and from here you'll want to select Will be Delayed Workflows. This section is dedicated to helping you manage different workflows based on your business needs. Here you can view existing workflows and start creating new ones tailored to your specific requirements. Once you're in the Workflows section, the next step is to click on Manage. This option allows you to oversee and organize your current workflows, ensuring everything is running smoothly. Managing workflows is crucial because it lets you keep track of what you have automated and allows for adjustments on the fly. After managing your workflows, you should click on Analyze. This part of the body process is significant as it gives you insights into how your workflows perform. Observing and analyzing data from your workflows helps you make informed decisions when tweaking or adjusting any automated processes, ensuring they align with your business goals. Next, you'll want to explore the Health section. By clicking on Health, you can monitor the overall status and performance of your workflows. This feature allows you to check for any errors or inefficiencies in your processes and make necessary adjustments to improve workflow functionality. If you're ready to create a new workflow, you'll find the Create Workflow option. This button is where the magic happens. Here you can define the parameters, triggers, and actions of your new workflow, tailoring it to fit the exact needs of your business. To start a new workflow, select From Scratch. This option gives you the flexibility to design a workflow from the ground up. Building a workflow from scratch is perfect for those who have a specific series of tasks or processes in mind that do not fit into the pre-built templates HubSpot offers. By following these steps, you'll soon have a robust and efficient set of workflows running through HubSpot's Operations Hub. As always, remember that creating and managing workflows is an iterative process. You'll want to continuously monitor and adjust them to fit your ever-evolving business needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.